adventure. Time never seemed to bother me. I said, let's meet at the polo by the trees near the station. Let's pretend it's a lifetime vacation. Feel the rush of excitement through our veins, of all the things still unknown left for us to invent. We tried our best to make this summer last. Now that time has passed, the time went too fast. Oh, I remember the time we drank and talked for hours. Time never seemed to bother us. I can still smell the scent of your skin in the air of spring. Oh, I remember that time. We tried our best to make the summer last. Now that time has passed, yeah, time went too fast. We tried our best to make that summer last. Now the time has passed, time went too fast.
Het is zomer. Op je radio. RTV NOF.